This is a burner assembly. This is on the newer model. So you can see the burner assembly. This is the pilot assembly right here. This is what the main gas goes into the burner assembly from the gas valve. This is your pilot tubing, and this is your ignition, and this is your sensor. So guys, this is what it looks like. Another thing guys don't realize, that on the bottom of the hot water heater, this is where it takes all the oxygen, all the air. So what I'm trying to say is, you see this right here? It's very small. Doesn't take much to clog up. So on the bottom here, it's taking air, and what happens if this is all full of shit, lint, especially like door hair, lint, because you, like say the dryer, and you have this, it's all full of shit, and what happens is, think of it like a candle. You put a candle and you cover up the candle, you're going to shut off the fire because you're lacking oxygen. Well, the same concept happens in a hot water heater. So if this is all dirty and it's plugged up, chances are the burner is lacking oxygen. You're not going to get a good flame or consistent flame, or the flame is just going to go out, whether it's your pilot or your main flame.